back to United Valley Farm. Today we're in the kitchen. We're going to be making squirrel and rabbit buffalo wings. So just a heads up, earlier this morning my brother and his buddies went out turkey hunting because it's youth season, and Tucker ended up getting one. So Caleb's going to go out tomorrow. Hopefully he can get a big one. We're going to start quartering them out. So you just basically, that's just taking off the front and back legs. Now that we have them all quartered, we're going to lightly bread them. So we added flour, chili powder, black pepper, and garlic salt. You can add whatever you want, but this is just what we chose. So I'm just going to lightly bread them, and then we're going to fry them. So we ended up with 3 rabbits and 2 squirrels. So now we're going to fry them up and coat them with the sauce. So I'm making this quick wing sauce. Now I'm going to coat them into the sauce. So we finished that barbecue rabbit and Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce with the rabbit and squirrel. So we're going to taste test them.